Number 1. Yellow Pages Spider. Yellow Pages Spider is the most powerful and advanced software that will collect targeted business leads from your desired category and the location. Simple. Follow the 3 simple steps and let the software do all the hard work for you. This software will be collected the following information instantly: business company name, address, postal, city, state, phone number, fax, website, email address, Google Map, export into Excel sheet. Number 2. Google Map Extractor. Google Map Extractor is the best software to extract business leads contacts from Google Maps. There is no special training required to use this software. Simply download it, put your category and location, and click on Start. Extract the business leads. Business company name, address, postal, city, state, phone number, fax, website, email address, latitude, longitude, details link, Google Map, export in Excel sheet or on web database. Number 3. Local Business Extractor. Local Business Extractor software is used to get unlimited business contacts from Google Maps. Download this software, just add Google Place API in the setting and get high-quality business contacts free for lifetime. Business company name, address, postal, city, state, phone number, fax, website, email address, latitude, longitude, details link, Google Map, export in Excel sheet or on web database. Number 4. Web Content Extractor. Web Content Extractor is a powerful and easy-to-use web scraping software. It allows you to extract text and images from any website. It is highly accurate and efficient software for web data extraction. Web Content Extractor offers you a friendly, wizard-driven interface that will walk you through the process of creating an extraction pattern and crawling rules in a simple point-and-click manner. Not a single string of code is required. Web data extraction is completely automatic. Number 5. Fast Leads Provider. Fast Leads Provider is a tool that searches for business leads in the most popular directories and extracts important information like business name, address, phone number and email. With our application you can create 100% customizable searches in a browser, so you can enjoy all the features of each target site. Just enter a category and location, then do a search, and when you get the first page of data, click the Get Data button and the rest is magic. All the results will be extracted and formatted in a list that you can review before saving to a CSV file that can be imported into MS Excel or your MySQL database.